Hey, Pask. Hey, Ephraim.
What?
You want to do a challenge?
Sure. What are we going to do?
Today's challenge, if you choose to accept it, is who can make the most epic maze for your guinea pigs and a baby rabbit. Do you accept the challenge?
Yes!
All right, here are your materials. You can choose from gears, Lincoln logs, pegs and pegboards, little tinker toy tots, and these wooden slabs with connectors. You can use any of them to make the best maze. Challenge begins in 3, 2, 1, go!
I'm making a little staircase, and it's going to be called the Staircase to Heaven. A track forward. You have to go through this. Once you go through this, that's an easy place. And then that's the hard place.
Awesome. What are you doing?
Repantsing. I am done with my amazing maze.
All right, let's look at it. Take me through it. Where do they start?
They start here, and they go all the way through here.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's look at the maze. Walk me through it.
So they walk into there, and then they go under there, and then they go atop, and then they walk into here, then they go through the ears, and then they go around here, and then they go and they push over the wall, and they go over there, push over the wall, and go around there, go atop, under, banana. They go to Lego place, go that place, that, and then they get into the treasure room.
Whoa, that's a lot of bananas. All right, so
That
we've
is
got
called the treasure room.
treats around. Okay.
This is Guinea.
Mrs. Guinea.
She likes running out my hand a yacht.
Okay, let's see what she does in the maze.
Now it's time to make it crazy. Go in.
Should we see the treats? Why don't you give her a little push?
See how far I go.
Okay, there she goes. She's found the first treats.
This is Nessa.
All right, Nessa.
Nessa's going to beat Miss Guinea.
Okay, let's see who gets through first.
Go, Nessa.
Nessa's found the first banana.
Give this a little
Oh,
push.
there she goes. right, she made it. There's your reward. She doesn't want it. Oh, there she goes. She's moving through. She's trying to figure it out. All right, Nessa's coming to the end. And she's made it. She has made it to her reward. Who do you have, Ephraim?
Snowball.
All right, let's see if the rabbit can go through the maze. All right.
Hey, Stormy.
A little push on the bunnies.
Push, push.
Look how fast she goes. Wow, big jump. That is amazing. The amazing Stormy. Mini Stormy. Amazing mini Stormy. Amazing Stormy of power. Let's see if she can go fast again. Let's see if she can knock down the wall. Wow, look at her. And she finished. Way to go, Stormy. And she gets a banana. Mini Stormy. Mini Stormy.
Well, we decided the winner. It was Mini Stormy in her mega jumps. And if our guinea pigs and Snowball did not do so well. So maybe you should try making one and see if they do good for you. Bye. Link down into the description and give us a challenge if you can. And subscribe for more fun videos like this. Bye.
Subscribe. Comment down below, please.